This is a vintage Coach Kisslock Coin Purse. I'm honestly not sure what the exact style, number, or name would have been. I think it's pretty similar to the change purse style number 7155, but I don't think that it's the exact same model. So it is a cute little coin purse that has a Kisslock closure here up top. And it does have the Coach cartouche stamp on the inside. And as you can see, it's in the color red. And it does definitely have some little marks or spots and color variation and patina. So it's got a little bit more of a worn look to it, which I know that some collectors do like. So it's just a cute little coin purse. And it is available on our Etsy shop if you wanted to check it out further. So as always, I will link it below. But otherwise, thanks for watching. See you next time.